Okay, now a little bit about Iran's maternal health. There are about 25 deaths per 100,000 live births as of 2015. The statistic is correlated with socioeconomic factors. For example, better educated women are more likely to seek a healthcare professional when giving birth, and also geography. Rural women just have less access to healthcare in general. About 90% of maternal deaths were women of poor economic status. And the major obstacle facing Iranian women is the lack of healthcare resources and education in rural and poor areas. And Iran's under 5 mortality rate is about 14.9 per 1,000 live births, and again, major disparities between urban and rural families. In 2000, Iran established the maternal mortality surveillance system. Since 2000, the maternal mortality has decreased. The four main processes of this system are data gathering, assessment of mortality causes, planning for interventions, and evaluations. And after 2 decades of data gathering, there is a call for more intervention from the Ministry of Health. Recently, Iran has showed a significant decline in maternal mortality, which is good. They focus not only on direct determinants such as hemorrhaging, but also on more distant determinants such as socioeconomic status and education. However, population growth will probably challenge this downward trend. So our proposed intervention was a baby box for expectant mothers. The intentions were to reduce maternal mortality by providing educational materials, prenatal vitamins, etc., to reduce infant mortality by, again, providing baby essentials, vitamins, education materials, and a safe sleeping space for the baby. And it was also intended to reduce disparities between rural and urban mothers, so the physician could give this to the mother to take with them.